One of the most eye-opening experiences that I've ever had was being on a jury myself. And for the most part, the trial went as expected. There was no big surprises during the trial. But when we got back to the jury room and we began deliberating, I was shocked. I could not believe the way people were making this decision. It seemed that the law, the Constitution, all the rules that we were supposed to follow were thrown out the window. And one person, everyone had their own basis for making the decision. And from that moment, I realized that to be a good attorney, I needed to understand what was going through the mind of jurors. I needed to understand what they were going to talk about when they got back in the jury room and began deliberating. I needed to figure out a way to get through to them. They needed to understand why it was important to find proof beyond a reasonable doubt. Why, if there was a doubt, why they needed to acquit. Why it was important to presume my client to be innocent until proven guilty. It starts by putting myself in my client's shoes. But ultimately, my goal is to put each juror in my client's shoes, to help them understand what happened and why it is important that they find my client not guilty.